So now we're going to look at the Pages tab. We've just selected the theme for our website and we've got something that looks pretty good, but now we're going to look at the pages. And that's really how people will navigate through your website, which is very important, obviously. So we've got the Pages tab open right here. It's that middle option. And then you can see that I've got all of my pages. I've got a home page, a student page, a parents page, an about me page, and a secret page. And you can see that there's different icons for each of the page. The home page has the home icon. These three pages, the student, parent, and about me page, has just a regular page icon. And then the secret page has a page icon, but with a slash through it. And I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make a new page. And when I go over to this, and if I hover over the plus sign, it's going to give me the option to create a new page or a new link. Now, a new page would be a page that you add and create content through Google Sites for your website. A new link would be they would click on that link in the navigation bar probably, and it would take them to another website. So there's lots of great reasons to do that, and we'll talk about that in just a second. But for now, we're just going to create a new regular page, and I'm just going to call it Contact Me. It's a great idea on your class website to have a contact page. So there it is. Now, on the right side here, let's let it load for a sec. On the right side here, there's the three dots. If I click that, it's going to give me a few options. I can make this as my home page. So if I want people to come to my class website and automatically go to the Contact Me page, which I don't, then I can do it that way. I'm going to set my home page back as my home page. I can also duplicate this page. If I like the way that I have a page laid out and I just want to update the content in it, then that's a great option for that. I can mess with the properties of the page, which is going to make it so that you have kind of a custom URL, like the very end of it is customized to what you want it. You can add a sub page, which I'll talk about that in just a second. You can hide it from navigation, which makes it like that, and you can see that it has disappeared from my navigation bar. It's no longer up there. I'm going to add it back to navigation, show in navigation, and now Contact Me is back there. And then there was one more thing, delete. I can just delete the page. Now, something that's really helpful to be able to do is I don't want my Contact Me page to be the very second page in when people are reading my navigation bar. I'd actually like it to be the last thing. So I'm going to click it and I'm going to drag it to right after the About Me. My secret page is hidden, so I like to keep those at the back, but you can put it behind that as well, and it's not going to move its location, but I'd prefer to have it right there so I can see all my visible pages first. If I would like to make a page into a sub page, which I'll show you what that does in just a second, I'm going to take my About Me page and I'm going to make it a sub page of the home page. So I just clicked on About Me and I'm dragging it on top of home. And now when I go over to my navigation bar and I hover over home, a drop down comes that has the About Me page. And you can have multiple sub pages. So now when I hover over home, I've got all of those. But I'm going to, not leave those as sub pages anymore. And then I'll rearrange them to how I wanted them. Okay, let's see. Am I missing anything? I don't think so. The link. Let's do a link. So if I click link, it's going to pop up with two different options. So I need to name my link. So school website. So this is my class website, but I would put a school website in, and you just type the URL for your school website there. So an example of doing this, I'm not going to use a school website. I'm going to put my personal website, Fortney Tech, and I'm going to do fortneytech.com, and then I'm going to click done. But first, so there's this open in a new tab option. If I have it selected, then it'll open up in a new window. If I don't have it selected, then it'll redirect you from the website that you're on over to that website you're linking to. So I'd go from my class website to Fortnite Tech. I don't want to do that. I want it to open in a new tab so they can easily go back to my class website. So I'm going to click Done. And then I'm going to do a preview just to make sure that everything is working out all right. So I've got my tabs here. I've got Contact Me, and then I've got Fortnite Tech. And when I click on Fortnite Tech, it's going to take me to, it says redirecting you to FortniteTech.com. And there it is. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of that. As soon as I've made all of those changes, and you can change it obviously throughout the year or whenever you need to, I'm going to click Publish to make sure that my changes are displayed on my website. All right, that's it. Catch you later.